Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing my new Sips by Tea subscription. So this is unopened. We're going to open it right now. And these are the goodies we have. So this is my June tea box. I love how on the back it says like made for Diana, which see, I love like personalized stuff. So on the back of these cards, as I mentioned, like if you haven't seen my first video where I kind of like introduce it, I'll leave a link down below, so go ahead and watch that video and I explain more about it. But basically you get tea every month. I do have a code, so I will leave it down here, so go ahead and use my code if you'd like to. What I like about these, they do come with these reusable muslin cloth tea bags. They're reusable, which you know is great. You don't have to keep throwing them out or anything. And it comes with a lot of them, so I'm not going to take them all out, but I just want to show you guys that it does come with quite a few of them. And we have a lot of things. I see a lot of things in here, so I do prefer caffeine free, so all of my teas that I got this month are all caffeine free. So I see 3 of these. What are these? These are little tea drops. I've never used tea drops before, so I'm pretty excited to use these. And these say sweet peppermint, spearmint, and peppermint. And this is what they are. So I'm really excited to try these. So these little sweet peppermint, it says it's a fuller bodied peppermint tea experience that's refreshing to the senses with the kick of spearmint. A perfect caffeine free anytime tea you're just a drop away from your perfect cuppa. That's what it says. So that one's great. And it says 1 drop per 8 to 12 ounces of water. So I have 3 of these, so this is going to be good for 3 teas. So what I like about these is you get to try them before you buy them. And then we also have these Churchill's Fine Teas. This one is called the Fenley Market Fresh Herbal Blend. And it says on here this is named after the market where Churchill's Fine Tea's flagship store is located. This blend makes a very refreshing iced tea. For a G&T, top with tonic and garnish with cucumber. So that sounds really, really good. I love cucumber. Let's see what else we have here. We also have these right here. Turmeric, peach, and moringa. I know turmeric is so good for the body. There's so many health benefits for it. And it says it's a nutrient-rich moringa combined with anti-inflammatory turmeric and a touch of peach. Enjoy any time of the day. Makes a refreshing caffeine-free peach iced tea. That just sounds delicious. I love peach tea. I love like fruits and stuff like that. It's my favorite. We also got a lot of these little red bags right here, and these are organic, I don't know how to pronounce it, rooibos tea. These are caffeine free, antioxidant rich rooibos have been used by South Africans for generations. Drink hot or cold, alone or with honey, lemon, milk, or add to bath water to soothe your skin. I've never done that before, so that's really cool that you can actually add this to your bath water if you'd like to. But I think I would rather just drink it just so my body can get the antioxidants. And let's see what else we got. We also got that's it. So we got a ton of teas to try for the month, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. Use my code if you'd like to. And that's what's great about it. You get to try a bunch of teas before you commit to buying a lot of them. That's what sucks about it. Like if you go to the store and if you want to buy, some teas, you're usually just buying a whole pack and you're not really sure if you like it or not. And if you don't like it, then you kind of wasted your money. With this one, it allows you to try a bunch of different kinds. And I'm not really a tea person, so I think it's great. Well, I love tea, but I haven't tried a bunch of teas, if that makes sense. So I like that I can explore different kinds of teas and see what I like best, because I don't really know. Like if I go to the store and I see a bunch of teas, I'm like, oh, I don't really know if I like this one or if I like that one or which one I like more. But now, like, I feel like this is going to help me So now I can go to the store and be like, hey, I've tried peach before, I've tried turmeric tea before, or something like that, and I'll have an idea of what I like. So I feel like that's really great for that. So go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.